Hello, this is a review of Steyr AUG from Jing Gong. Here you can see how the package looks like. I'm not going to open it because it's empty now, but the package contains the gun, battery, charger, manual and few BBs. Here is the gun itself. It looks really realistic and it's quite heavy. It weighs around 4 kilos. There is the forward tactical handle. Here is the safety, which is kind of a bolt which has two positions, fire and safe. In fire position, you can fire single shots by pressing the trigger, and if you want automatic fire, you have to press the trigger even more. Here in the chamber you can adjust the hop-up system. The upper rail interface system is made from metal and there are plastic adjustable sights. The barrel is naturally made from metal. And finally, the high capacity magazine. The battery is inside the butt of the gun, and as you can see here, it has standard connectors and the fuse here. At the end, some photos of the gun in the hand. Thank you for watching my video. There will be part 2 which will contain shooting tests. See you soon.